Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video should have gone up about 2 weeks ago, so no, I'm just kidding, but definitely a week ago. I don't know what happened this last week. I was feeling a little bit unmotivated for some reason, so I do apologize that I was missing in action, but I'm back and I hope to be back on schedule. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing video. I've had this box literally for like a week and a half, and it's just been sitting there. I haven't even tried anything in this box yet. Side note, I do realize that this shirt looks a little bit like a pajama top. It's, ooh, see that tan line? It's not. So the theme in this month's box is road tripping, so it's got a lot of, like, I guess essentials that you would need for a road trip. So there is one product that I'm not going to be using in today's video, and it's this Dr. Brand No More Baggage eye depuffing gel, and the only reason I'm not trying this on today is because I already have makeup on. This is a full-size item, and this retails for $42. So again, the value of the box is $21, or not the value, but the price of the box is $21 a month, and this item alone is $42. So Dr. Brand is a really good brand that has been in the box before. I personally have loved everything that I've tried from them, so I'm really excited to give that a try and see how it works. I guess we're gonna go straight into the eyeshadow palette, Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. This retails for $29.99. So I saw a lot of people were saying that their palette came opened, not opened, but like it looked like it was used because it had fingerprint marks on the shadows. So I don't know if it's an issue of like kind of quality control, you know, like when they're packaging it and all that stuff, or if they have been used. I highly doubt it though. So it does come with this little film here, and these are the eyeshadows. It comes with a mirror as well. These are the eyeshadows here. They don't have names on them or anything, so the shimmer shades in the palette. So, well, I've really only tried this one so far, but there's this one, and this one up here. Oh, and this one here. They're very, very creamy. Let me show you the more gold one. I'm gonna go in with this highlight shade. Oh, I didn't show you guys this one. Okay, so that's that, and again, it retails for $30, so it's very affordable. The next item in the box that we'll try out is this eyebrow cream. This is from the brand Cella, and it retails for $26.99. And it's in the color Tantalizing Taupe. I can't say much about it. Okay, the next item in the box is this Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is from Wander Beauty, and it retails for $24. Last item in the box is this blush. This is from Note Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before. And it's the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and this retails for $11.99. Okay, so we got it looking like this, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. And this is what it looks like. My face is so itchy today, and I have, oh my gosh, that's a lot. Holy guacamole. Yeah, I have no idea why I'm so itchy, but I am. Okay, go with a light hand on this blush. Holy guacamole. I'm just going in with a clean brush to kind of tone it down a little bit. Okay guys, so that is it. This is the Boxycharm for this month. I hope that you guys like this video. I will leave in the description box below the link for Boxycharm in case you want to sign up. And then also, what else? Oh, I'll leave the overall value because I'm not that great at math and I don't have a calculator in front of me. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you stayed until the end, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you later. Bye!